We are on number 3. We're counting down our list of our favorite inside numbers betting systems. And we're on the top 3. This is going to be... well, I'll tell you what it's called in a second. It'll make sense. You're going to need $110 for this. Your unit is going to be $10. And so you need 11 units total to get through one session of this. $10 chips, and you're going to place them like this. And we'll go 40 on the third dozen for now, 40 on the middle dozen. And in this first dozen, you're going to pick 3 street bets. You're going to place 1 unit each on them. So street bet covers the 3 numbers there. So you have 5 numbers left off. So 10, 11, 12, 0, and 00 here are your 5 kill numbers. This setup here, I think, looks like the James Bond system, but it's a little bit different. So I've heard this system in other places. It's not original with me, but because of its similarity to that system, I don't know what others call it, but I'm going to call it the Jason Bourne system, all right? So this is the Jason Bourne setup. We're going to give it a couple spins, and I'll explain how the winnings work. So that hit the number 1 red, which is the street bet, and it's going to return us $10. Every single bet or win that you get in this system returns $10. So that's 1 unit. I'm going to use the rebet button here just to speed it up. But so if it lands in these dozens sections here, it's also going to return you $10. Black 15 is in the middle dozens. It's a win. So the goal here that we're going for, as I keep spinning, is to get 11 wins. 11 wins is going to get us that $110 that we're playing with, and then we'll start being able to play with casino money. So the way this is set up is that we got as much as the board covered as possible as we get another win there, and still be able to get a profit from each win. There is an 84% chance of winning each spin here with the amount that with the 32 numbers covered that we got here. Now, you can move these bets around a little bit. Let's put 40 here, 40 on the third dozen, and then we'll cover everything but the 16, 17, 18. It's difficult to cover the 0 and 00 in this system because you can't cover those with a street bet. So if a 0 or 00 hits, it's going to be a loss. But if you can just move around this street bet right here, the 3 numbers that are uncovered, and just kind of the goal is to try to hide those numbers and so they don't get hit, and just see how far this system will take you. Number 4, black is a win, hitting on that first dozen. And now we're into the third dozen. We're up to $80 total so far. You're risking a lot of money in this system. It's $110. You're risking a lot to get a little bit, 11 units to get 1 unit, but the risk is not very high. So, in our opinion, it's good enough risk-reward situation to be a profitable system, and it has been profitable for me much of the time. This is going to be our breaking even roll here. Black 31 wins us $10 and gets us to $110. So now we're breaking even, and everything that we bet now is on the casino's dime. So you can keep moving around. That was a lucky hit. we're gonna move my dozens around. Let's cover first and second dozen, and then we'll hit 3 street bets here. Spin away. 6 black is a win. Continue this for as long as you like. It's a great risk reward system to use. The Jason Bourne, oh no, I'm doing that already. But the Jason Bourne system, how I like to call it, it works great. I like it. Hope it works for you guys. Like any system, it's not guaranteed to work in the long run, but it'll get you some short-term games for sure. So best of luck. Hope you guys have a great time at the next visit to the casino, and check out our other videos. Take care.